Hello and welcome to our tutorial on the top 5 mistakes that iPhone users make and how to fix them. Even experienced iPhone users can make mistakes that can be frustrating to fix. But don't worry, we're here to help. Mistake number 1. Running out of storage. Running out of storage is a common mistake that iPhone users make. To fix this, you can delete unwanted files or apps or move them to iCloud or another storage service like Google Drive or any other app. Mistake number 2. Battery drain. If your iPhone battery is draining faster than usual, there are a few things you can do to fix the problem. You can check your battery usage in Settings and then select Battery to see which apps are using the most power. You can also try turning off features like location service, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi when you're not using them to save battery life. Mistake number 3. App crash. If you experience app crash on your iPhone, the first step is to try closing and reopening the app. If that doesn't work, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app again. But if the problem persists, you may need to contact the app developer for support. Mistake number 4. No service error. If you experience a no service error on your iPhone, the first step is to check your network coverage. If you are in area with a poor coverage, your iPhone may not be able to connect to the network. If that's not the issue, you can try resetting your network setting by going to Setting and then select General and then select Reset. And then you can reset and then you can select Reset Network Setting here. But if the problem still persists, you may need to contact your carrier or support. Mistake number 5. iPhone is disable error. The iPhone is disable error occurs when you enter the wrong passcode too many times and your iPhone becomes locked. To fix this error, you will need to connect your iPhone to a computer and use iTunes to restore your device. Make sure to follow the on-screen instruction carefully to avoid losing any data. And there you have it, the top 5 mistakes that iPhone users make and how to fix them. Remember, even experienced users can make mistakes. But with the right tool and knowledge, you can easily fix any problem that comes your way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you again and bye!